Hey, how you doing? It's Buc-ee here. Hey, I'm in Marrieta, Georgia today. I'm gonna check out the chicken, Kentucky Fried Chicken here. Check it out, right behind the store here. And it's called the Big Chick. The building's unusual. Let's check it out. They may have a museum and a gift shop inside. So follow me, stay with me. Hey, it's me again, Buc-ee here. And check it out. The Big Chick in Marrieta, Georgia. Check out the eyes moving around, the beaks moving around. Pretty cool. And right, that's the guys over here. This is 4103 downtown, literally, I guess, Marrieta, Georgia. But check it out. Ain't that awesome? Hey, all right, let's take a quick look inside here. We got spoons for door handle here. Inside as well. That's the dining room here. Hey, check this out. Someone's costume here. Big Chick costume. Can you imagine being that thing? Apparently, they're celebrating their 60th anniversary. Check it out. A great view here. KFC. Hey, it's me again. You surprised? Again, I'm just leaving the Big Chick or the Kentucky Fried Chicken here in Marrieta, Georgia. And tell you, it's awesome, awesome building. You can see this behind me. See that chicken up there? It's cool. Awesome background here. But again, I bought some merch. Checked it out, and I'm heading out. And apparently I didn't realize that until I saw the sign here, but you turn your radio to 8:20 a.m. The Big Chick actually talks. That's pretty cool. Alright, that's me, Buc-ee. I'm heading out, and thanks for watching. That's the Big Chick Kentucky Fried Chicken here in Marrieta, Georgia. This backside here, you can see the trash can, but check it out. Walk around here. That's the backside of the building. 60-year anniversary. Awesome. Heading back to the truck. We got some merch here. Show it to you later. Again, thanks for watching.